Sunscreen is an integral part of my skincare routine, be it summer or winter. It protects your skin from the harmful UV rays, prevents it from getting a tan, and also keeps the dark spots away. But we always take it for granted and tend to make some mistakes that might harm our skin. So here are a few points to keep in mind to make sure that you maximize the use of your sunscreen. Be generous with the amount of sunscreen you apply and make sure you cover those easy to miss spots like your ears, neck, eye area and the back of your hands. A coin-sized amount should be enough for your face and neck. To make sure your sunscreen is effective, it's important to apply it at least half an hour before you step out. Do it right after you step out of the shower once you're done applying your moisturizer. When it comes to moisturizer, you only apply it once after your shower and that is it. But when it comes to your sunscreen, you need to reapply it every 2 to 3 hours to make sure that your skin is well protected. All products have a shelf life, including your sunscreen. So make sure you don't use one that's expired, it's hot and you want to wear light, breezy fabrics to feel cool. I totally get that. But that t-shirt or sheer top is not going to protect you from the sun. So make sure you apply sunscreen on your body too. I recommend using the Nivea Moisturizing Sun Lotion with SPF 50. SPF in your moisturizer and makeup products is always a plus, but it's not enough since you will not be reapplying these products every few hours. So make sure you use a separate sunscreen before you apply your BB cream or any other makeup products. Be it SPF 30, 50 or 70, higher SPF does not mean that you can stay in the sun longer. You still have to make sure that you reapply your sunscreen every few hours. Your scalp and eyes also need protection from the sun, so make sure you cover up and don't forget your sunglasses before you step out. Sometimes it's impossible to avoid a tan no matter how much sunscreen you wear. But for those days, you can try out some homemade face packs and you can just check out one of our older videos. So let me know what you think about this one and what we should do next in the comment section below. Make sure you check out the POPxo shop. We have some really cool stuff out there. We have tote bags, doormats, wall clocks and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. And for more such videos, keep watching POPxo Daily. Bye.